going to teach you a new sentence in Arabic. I'm going to teach you how to say you are right, talking to both male and female or even plural. I'm going to teach you the differences between the MSA, Modern Standard Arabic way to say you are right, and the Palestinian dialect or the Shami Levantine dialect in general of how to say you are right. Let's begin. أنا بقدر أحكي كتير عربي معاكم بس أنا شوي بحاول إني أعلمكم بالأول بعدين أحكي معاكم بالعربي. Okay, we have two ways to say you are right. One that is very formal and very sophisticated and really MSA, Modern Standard Arabic way to say it, which is أنت على صواب. Now I'm going to take this and put it in my pocket because nobody uses it. Today, if you want to speak Arabic, you will need the sentence to say you are right in the spoken dialect or in the Arabic that is well known and used by all Arabs. So, أنت على صواب, we will take it and we'll put it away. I'll teach you maybe at the ending of the lesson what it means. The sentence that we use on a daily basis to say you are right is معك حق. Let's try to repeat them first and I'll tell you the variations and how to use them with a female or with a male. معك حق. معك حق. What is the meaning of معك حق? It's made out of two words. The first word is a preposition, the preposition مع, which means with. معك, adding this suffix ka at the ending, you know, because you've been watching my videos for the past 400 lessons. I've been speaking or talking about these suffixes, these helpful letters that we add at the ending of any word to help add extra grammatical or extra information to the word. This ka and ki actually are suffixes that are called possessive adjectives or object pronouns. Both these categories fall under one category in Arabic, object pronouns and possessive adjectives. In this case, معك, it's an object pronoun. Ka means you, not as you as a subject pronoun, you are, no, but like an object pronoun, which means with you. You're the object, you're not the subject of the sentence. So actually I revealed it to you by saying with you. Ma means with. We said it's a preposition which means with. And ka at the ending, it means you. Ma'aka, with you. That's the first part of the whole expression, which is ma'aka haq. Ma'aka, we said with you. Haq. What is the meaning of this haq? First, I want you to really practice on pronouncing your ha correctly. It's just pushing air outside of your mouth. Ha, not ha, not a. It's ha. Vocal cords are not vibrating. If you want to try, put your fingers here. There shouldn't be any movement, any vibration. It's just a flow of air that's going outside. That's the letter ha in the word haq. 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 What is the meaning of haq? Haq means right. Okay? Ma'aka haq. It means with you, literally. With you, right. We don't have the verb to be in the present tense. So where with you is right or with you there is right. That's omitted or that's included in the sentence because we don't have verb to be apparent, but it's there, but we don't see it. We don't have a word for it. And you probably know it when we say Ana Maha. It says I Maha, but it means I am Maha because the verb to be is included. So the same with Ma'aka haq. Ma'aka haq, it doesn't simply mean with you right. It means there is a right with you, or there's with you a right, or with you there's right. So ma'aka haq, it means you are right. Ma'aka haq, you are right, but you're a male. If you're a female, the only thing that changes in this whole sentence is the ending or the object pronoun. Instead of ka, it becomes ki. So ma'aki haq, ma'aki haq. Ma'aka haq, you are right, you're a male, and ma'aki haq, you are right and you're a female. Okay? If you're a lot of people and you are right, you're speaking really a lot of things that make sense. Ma'akum haq. Ma'akum haq. Now all these ma'aka, ma'aki, ma'akum, and haq are modern standard Arabic ways, which is the Arabic that is used in books, in newspapers, in the news, in TV, or in really formal situations. That's not the Arabic that I would use with my daughter, with my mom, or on a daily basis with any other Arab. The Arabic that I would use with Arabs in the streets is called the dialect. My dialect is the Shami dialect, the Palestinian dialect, which includes the dialect spoken in Palestine, Jordan, Syria, and Lebanon. All these 4 countries, they speak one dialect which is called the Shami dialect. And this is what I'm going to teach you. And the Shami dialect, by the way, is very well understood by the majority of Arabs. So if I would want to tell somebody from Algeria, you are right, I would still use my dialect and they would understand me. Why? Because Shami dialect is very similar to modern standard Arabic, which all Arabs speak and understand. Okay, learn, at least, not speak, but learn. Okay, so معك حق becomes in the Palestinian dialect معك حق. Very, very easy. Instead of معك, we just say معك without moving the k at the ending. And حق becomes حق. We don't pronounce the q letter in all the Palestinian dialect. We don't say حق. We don't say Quds, which means Jerusalem. We say Uds. And we say حق instead of حق. So you are right in the dialect. If you want to tell somebody you are right, you simply can say معك حق. And if you're female, معك حق. So instead of معك, معكي, the Palestinian dialect changes into معك, معك. معك حق, معك or معك. If there are a lot of people that you are right, معكو, very easy. Instead of saying معكم, standard Arabic, in Palestinian dialect it becomes معكو. So we just cut the M. And حق stays حق. معكو حق. So معك حق, معك حق, معكو حق. That's how you say you are right, to a male, to a female, and to a plural. Alright? I hope you like these kind of lessons where I show you the difference between the modern standard Arabic, the Arabic that you need to learn, and the dialect, the Arabic that you will use meaning the spoken Arabic in the streets. And if you have any suggestions or if you like these lessons, please comment below, because I want to know. I have a lot of requests to continue my Palestinian dialect courses, but my Palestinian dialect courses cannot be complete if I don't show you the differences between the standard one and the dialect spoken in the streets. Alright, so it's very important for me to know your opinions about these lessons, or if you want me to plainly just teach you Palestinian dialect and to start speaking some Arabic with you. أنا بقدر أحكي كتير عربي معاكم، بس أنا شوي بحاول إني أعلمكم بالأول بعدين أحكي معاكم بالعربي. إذا أنتوا بتحبوا هاي شو عم تسمعوا هاي اللهجة اللي أنا عم بحكيها، راح خلص dedicate full playlist باليوتيوب channel تبعي عشان أحكي معاكم لغة عربية مش فصحى، فلسطينية أو اللهجة العامية in general. أوكي، يلا بشوفكم في الدرس الجاي. I'll see you in the following Arabic lesson with me Maha. مع السلامة. باي.